Hi everyone, my name is Chef Jeremy Lovell and today I'm going to share a special recipe with you guys. Right, so today I'm going to share my recipe with you all on the way I do fry rice. Right, first we're going to saute all our ingredients first and then add the rice and my special brand Lee Kum Kee Dark Soy Premium. We're going to add the sesame oil, pimento, garlic, carrots, corn, string beans, stir. We're going to allow this just to cook a little bit for 2 minutes before we add our rice and green beans. Now we're going to add our rice, celery, chive, salt, black pepper, green peas, and of course, Lee Kum Kee Dark Soy Premium. Alright, we're just going to cover for 2 minutes and allow the rice to cook a little more. Alright. Now, we're going to check. Let's give it a little stir. And we're ready to serve.